Just each and every one, as you can see. Using a carrot, as you can see. The bacon, the bacon, and the garlic. Now that's everything too. Alright. I simmer down each and every one. This is the egg. With the black pepper. Right now we can scramble egg. Okay. So this one that you put everyone garlic, bell pepper, and coriander, and black pepper. So this is like spicy. Nice egg and fried dumpling. Alright. Everything coming together. Everything. I need to add the garlic. Alright. So the garlic is good. Cholesterol and blood pressure. It's natural antibiotic. As you can see. Alright. So this is my egg each and every one. Everything set, and we have our gonna check. Making some breakfast. Our dumpling. From the egg. As you can see. So it's everything set. Then we will gonna check. Alright, each and every one. You can scramble the egg. Alright. You can scramble egg each and every one. As you can see. And then this is scrambled egg. So I see my onion, garlic, and some bell pepper. Blessings. So the things that we need in the chef. As you can see, I'm making eggs and fried dumpling. Alright. So I'm going to do scrambled egg with onion and garlic. Alright. And some pepper. As you can see. So this is what I'm making for breakfast. Blessings each and every one. Gandhi Madam's Java Chef. Finished product each and every one, as you can see. Alright. That's what we're talking about. So the thing set. Finished product each and every one. Gandhi Madam's Java Chef. Fried dumpling with scrambled egg. Bless. Alright, each and every one, as you can see. Eggs. Making fried dumpling, as you can see. Each and every one. Gandhi Madam's Java Chef. In the kitchen and wheels. Alright? Go on with the thing. So the thing said. So what I say? Blaze up a fire. So the thing said, blaze up a fire. Alright.
6-8 Trini style. So we tell all you we have some coming for you, right? Double D's. It tastes good. Well, my side now, the original Trini style barbecue, pineapple barbecue sauce, freshly homemade. Yeah, like that. Boom.
That's what the thing said.
You don't see how we grilling it here. Yeah.
Yeah.
And we are thing inside too. We are thing inside. So what
Right.
we telling all you, yeah, what's going on? One of our flavor, taste, 868 plus 876. Yard! And when yard reach Trini, you know what happened? Double trouble. So that we say double D.
Dundee,
Pun the scene.
the double chef.
Boom!
That's what the thing said. Kaboom! We just done do some fire planting and some boil planting. So the rice and peas up on the fire go and cook. The jerk chicken done, so there's some another jerk chicken again.
Pineapple barbecue.
Pineapple barbecue, so the thing said. See the pineapple there? The pineapple that you put on it. As you can see each other.
Homemade, everything homemade, fresh.
Right, that's what the thing said. You don't know what we do with the thing. Always do the thing. Always in the kitchen. Love the kitchen. As you can see, cooking at the passion. So we do the thing. Bless.
Taste it.
Dundee, Madam Chef.
And love it.
Alright.
Boom!
Double D.
Coming soon.
Chef.
Trouble?
So the thing said. Bless. Alright, teacher. Kaboom. Alright. Finger licking. Azariah.
Boom, all you now seeing me.
So the thing said. Thing sell out.
And all you now see me. Boom!
Alright.
It's sell out.
Alright.
Double D, look out for it.
Dundee,
It tastes
Madam.
good.
Dundee, Madam Pajama Chef. Otherwise, Darrell and Donovan. Double D.
It tastes
Bless.
good.
Bless. Hi. Trouble. Double trouble.
It tastes good.
Who remember the style where we used to fan fire? Back home style better.
With a little some money side. Boom!
You see it? That's what the thing said. We in the place.
The specialty inside.
We are doing thing. Having fun a weekend each and every one. Live life. Think positive.
Jerk
That's
and
what I said.
pineapple barbecue.
Alright.
Peas and rice, potato salad.
You hear that?
And what's the one you're doing again? This
The jerk chicken.
yeah, but vegetables.
Alright, that's what
I'll
we're doing.
sample until we're ready.
We're going to fry some plantain too. We're going to boil some plantain and fry some plantain. So two kind of plantain we do. We just deal with this and make it go and simmer here. So we are say, put on where you have to put on, you see fire get ready.
868, 876.
Alright, so the thing said, kaboom, Donovan, Dundee, Madam, Pajama Chef. We're there.
Put it on the side.
So the thing
Let's
said,
go.
fire catch, as you can see, bless. You can see me going to burn out the grill, as you can see, nothing inside of it yet. We're going to burn out the thing. So the thing said, landing there.
You want cover it?
The feature man, as you can see, is the stuff we have to watch and keep on putting in the water. That's what makes it soft and tender, you know what I'm saying? Alright, that's what it is. So, when you go and simmer, put some more sauce on it and make it soup. Alright, just it. Alright, each and every one as you can see. Alright, so the thing said. So you see what I mean, right? Jerk that choke on the water. That's what we are saying. So the thing said. So the thing said each and every one. That's where I put on it. Alright. And the mother of the mash as you can see, the family together about everything. Everything is a simmer, bless. We finish cutting each other one, so the thing is that the mother of the mash. Alright, so we have different kind of chicken from the grill as you can see, getting it ready to do some pretty tender.
We have a couple.
This is a different chicken like the
Chili style barbecue coming soon. We're getting a little just stuff. We're getting a little joke. We're getting a little pineapple barbecue. Yeah, homemade pineapple barbecue sauce.
Alright, I hear that. So that's coming next. So the things here. So we can see over here, so it's camped already.
Done.
Finish with the thing.
Softer than the slice.
So the things here. Done the mother and the double chef.
Delete that. See what we got with the pineapple barbecue.
Alright, you see it. Pineapple barbecue each and one, as you can see. So this is the pan grill. Let's see, we have some finished product right there, so as you can see, pineapple barbecue each and
Chef.
one. So the things here.
Boom.
Come
The
in.
original chef. Straight out of Trinidad. You hear that one coming? Straight out of yard. So you know what they call me? Double D. It tastes good, oi.
Alright, Dandy Madame the General Chef, Darrell, Tanavan, Double D.
Tastes good, oi.
So the things here. Bless. You see, we are spin the pineapple barbecue, the quarter right there, sir. So the things here. The things here. Bless.